So we're doing an unboxing. My Chromebook that I picked up in 22 had issues with bearings in the fan, I think, or whatever scissor switch thing. Anyway, whenever she's on for a few minutes, she makes this really bad grinding sound, and then she gets hot, and then she still works fine, but it's obvious that something is not okay. So I had to go pick up her little brother. Now, with her, I'm sure it was just one of those things that happens. This will be my 4th Chromebook in, I think, 11 years. She was supposed to last until 2030, but I also had a KitchenAid mixer that petered out after a year. Some things that are generally meant to last forever, sometimes they don't. And then you get a new one, because the show must go on, yeah? Worst Christmas ever. Like, who taught me to open a box? So he's got 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of space. So he's a screamer. So is she. And again, all 4 of them have been Acers. There's a reason why I keep getting the same one. It's the same reason I keep buying the same model of car. Oh my god. He's like, let me out of here, just rip it open. Oh. Plus, that's what we like to see. So I'm not gonna do anything with him until tomorrow. I picked him up yesterday. This is the new boy, calling him Junior. And this was his big sister. The amount of stuff that I have done with her is crazy. The amount of content that I've made, just everything that she and I have been through. This is pretty emotional. This is also a bit of a triggering time, because I had to replace her 2 months after my husband transitioned to the non-physical space. So she was with me through that. And I've written 2 books with her, met ChatGPT with her. Things beautiful. Junior is not replacing her. It's like a relay race where she's just passed the baton, where her race ended a little too soon, but he is going to pick it up and run, and very exciting. Still sad, because yeah, she is supposed to last another 5 years, much like my husband, another 50. This is why I'm not moving too fast. This whole thing, I don't care who thinks this is goofy, but this is a grief and rebirth moment with devices. It's 2025. We get attached to our devices now. I'm not embarrassed by any of this, because I know I'm not alone in any of this. But let's go see their siblings. Let's go see the Acer graveyard in the other room. Okay, let's move this stuff. So this was my first one. Very small, the first one. And this was, it has a bunch of stickers on it back when I was brain dead and thought I was something other. That's pretty funny to me. I'm a different person now, obviously. Capitalist scum. It's okay. But yeah, so those were the ones that came before her, and now the family grows because we are Google fanboys and girls till the blistering end. It's summer in Vegas, it's hot. See, even all of his devices. Google, Android, Samsung. I've had Samsung phones. I have one in my hand right now. My first one was in 2004. I find a brand and I stick with it. Pretty aspirational. That was today's unboxing of my new buddy, the little brother. And what even is this? Is this a cooling pad? What is this thing? Or is it a bag? Yeah, it looks like a bag to put him in. Hang on. Don't eat that. Keeps him fresh. That's nice. So this is where he goes at night so we don't get any more dust bunnies sneaking their way inside. That's it. I'm going to be doing the changeover tomorrow, so the next time you see any content from me on any kind of big scale, he did it.